Do you want to introduce us? What do you say? Welcome to another episode.
Hey, this is
Can you introduce the video? Welcome? No? Okay, I'll do it then. Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses radio control to get kids excited about math and science. We are in the workshop today. Elise is working on her cars over here. And I'm going to be working on mine.
I want a screw.
Okay. How about you try this one? All right. So we are taking another look at our Ruckus today. After that bash at the BMX park, we lost another shoulder screw. So where's the shoulder screw?
Why do you have a measure?
That's a caliper, Elise. That's to measure.
Why do you have a caliper?
To measure things with. All right, and this is the elusive shoulder screw. Now these are special screws. You want to see it? That you can unfortunately only buy in a pack.
Baba, can I work on the screw?
Yeah. Why don't we put it into here?
Why? Why, Baba?
Hmm?
Why?
That's something for you to work on. So we went over to our local hobby shop. We've actually been looking at the Helion Conquest. And I'll show you the manual here. We've been considering using it as just a platform due to its...
Papa, am I doing that?
Yeah, you are. Good job. Just due to its build, and we've been checking these things out, been considering buying one. Let us know if you guys have one. We've been trying to do our homework, but not a huge bunch exist online. But we were looking at this diagram and see these, what are they called? Bushings, steering shaft bushings. That really piqued our interest because that could possibly allow us to replace the shoulder screw with a standard screw. So
What is standard screw?
a standard screw, a regular screw like this. So we got a pack of these. The part number is HLNA1045.
I think if Papa didn't do it,
Oh, right here.
then I'd be good. Good enough.
Mm-hmm.
Can I do this one?
Sure. So these come in a pack of 12 for $3 here, and we measured them with a caliper, and they have an outside diameter of the round part here. Let me actually just break these open. But the guys over at Hobbytown Sunnyvale.
Papa, what are you doing?
I'm opening this.
What's that?
Hmm?
What's that?
These are bushings.
Bushings.
Mhm.
I don't want bushings.
You don't want bushings?
I only like screws.
All right. And so if you take a look at one of these bushings, right, it's got an outside diameter of 4 millimeters. Right, we measure that with the caliper there. And the inside diameter, these calipers are a little bit too big to do the inside diameter, but if we just line it up with the hole there, it's actually a 3 millimeter inside diameter. So a 3 millimeter screw
Papa, look.
will fit right inside, and the outside diameter is the exact same as the hole in... I've got an extra one here, but that C carrier, right, or that hub carrier, this should pop right in. Oh, and it's a little big. I thought I'd measured it to be 4 millimeters. Might need to clearance that hole a little bit with a screw. But basically, we're going to take one of these apart here.
Papa, I did it.
Mm-hmm.
Is that
Nice.
enough?
Yep, that's enough.
Screwing?
Mm-hmm. So our plan here is that we had found... Nice. Work, Elise. Actually, a while back on the forum, somebody had suggested using the rear bearing carriers and actually popping those into the front C-hub, right? See how that lines up here? And you can use an upgraded RPM unit if you'd like, but pretty cool stuff. You'll need to transfer the ball joint over there, but you need a couple things like probably a sleeve of some sort, right? Or you need to remount the inside of.
Mama, can you hold this?
Mm-hmm.
Can you hold this?
Yeah.
So I can totally do it.
Yeah.
So I can do it.
Yeah, you can do it.
Hold it.
Here.
Hold it so I can do it.
Uh-huh.
Talk from.
Okay. It's always interesting. It's always good to get.
It.
You got it. It's always good to get kids playing with tools at an early age. Okay, I'll hold it right here. So you might need to remount that inner hole because it is a little bit smaller than 3 millimeters here. So if you decide to go with a larger screw and a nut, that fit this outer diameter here, that's one way to do it. There's basically more than one way to tackle this problem, but essentially you need to make this hub fit where this rear hub fit where the front hub was. You will need to use adjustable links because the stock links, the stock plastic links, are going to be too short. You did it. Nice job, Elise. You did it. And you could tell if I do a side-by-side here. Right. That stock one is longer than the rear hub.
It's not catching.
It's not catching?
No, it's not going in. You have to screw a lot more times.
No, this one's made to slide like this, so you just put it in. See? So, we took a 3 millimeter screw here. It won't slide all the way through, right? So the threads will catch, which is actually... You want to see?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you can do it like this. See, we could show everybody what it's going to look like. Here. You can use that one. So you will need a longer screw. I think those were... Where is it?
Papa, can I do it?
Can I measure this really quick, Elise?
Why?
Because I want to tell everybody how long this is. Now this screw is the right length here. And it is a 30 millimeter length screw. So, just a couple things to keep in mind. We're going to go ahead and we'll probably need to clearance this hole. But the root of the problem was that again we had the shoulder screws pop out again, right? And it ended our run there. This time. It was the actual, we could have tried super gluing this back in.
Hold this. Papa, can you hold this?
Yep, I can hold it. We could have tried super gluing this back in, but chances are it would rip out again because look at the amount of threads there engaging with the plastic.
Papa, can you hold? Can you hold that?
Yeah.
So it can stay steady. Can you hold it so it can stay steady on here?
Yeah, I can hold it. So we've got a future maker here in the workshop, but you look at this and it's only got, almost 3.5 millimeters of thread engagement into the plastic. So just too little to make that work or to be sturdy.
Papa, can you hold
So
this plank?
I'm going to help Elise out in the workshop, but please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.